Thank you. Ayan mga kadyas, ting river nila kadyas. May experience man lang natin, matry natin dito sa I Love Lubok. Halika, samahan niyo ako. Yan mga kadyas, dito na naman tayo sa Lubok. Lubok River. Yan ang Lubok Church. Palubok River naman tayo mga kadyas. Dito tayo, so 860 per person. Walang exemption to. Kahit bata, pag forfeit ka, ganun pa rin babayaran mo kayo. Ayan mga kadyas, may naghaharana pa mga kadyas. Yung ang kultura natin dito mga kadyas, na mga Boholano. Thank you. Ayan mga kadyas, ting river nila kadyas. May experience man lang natin, matry natin dito sa I Love Lubok. Ito na mga kadyas, we made it a reality mga kadyas. Nung nakita-kita lang natin, pinuntahan talaga natin at saka tinatry natin para masubukan natin kung ano talaga to. So ayun, mga kadyas, woohoo! Kainan tayo mga kadyas. Yan ang Lubok Church mga kadyas. Pinsala yan nung sa panahon ng Lindol at saka Udet. Ayan, pinipreserve nila, ang ganda pa rin tingnan. Yan.
Sayang, madirang sayang. Okay.
Wow! Cool tayo mga kadyas. Country road, take me home. Baka maano tayo mga kadyas. Ayan mga kadyas, buffet. Sulitin talaga natin. Ayan. Kaya kukulangin, pwede ka balik na balik lang. Balik ka lang ng balik. Dilis. Ayan mga kadyas. Wow! The boat is finally moving. Balik-balik lang mga kadyas. Kung gusto pang kumain, just log one here in Lubok River.
Wow!
Ayan mga ka-jazz, Lubok River tayo. Experience lang, so we need it to a reality. Makikita natin sa TV, sa mga picture at sa mga ibang videos. So andito tayo. Hindi lang sa panaginip, kung may plano, talagang makakamit mo. Pag may pangarap ka, sa bandang huli, darating ka rin sa finish line.
Ini niya na dad. Ha? Unay sinila sa lubok.
Ano lagi dia? Ha? Ini fishing dia? Oh. Landslide. Landslide.
Ano yung morning? Lola, ano ba kayo? Si Austin, wala
He's the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You feel like Valentine's. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. And love's not the same. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Melody, but we only know we're the best of it. You are beautiful, like a dream come alive, incredible. Set up a miracle, lyrical. You saved my life again, and I wanted to know, baby, I love you like a love song, baby, and I can hear you beep, 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 beep. First I was afraid, I was terrified. Kept thinking I could never leave, but now she by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you never own your goes strong. And you learn how to get along. I saw your back from outer space. I was just looking to find you when I saw look on my face. Should have changed the student, should have made love the key. If I had over just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on, I'll go. Walk out the door, just turn around, yeah. Guess I don't want to come anymore. When you want, you're trying to hurt me goodbye. Think they crumble, yeah. You're thinking light all the time. Oh, no, no, I was so fine. Oh, I was loveless, I don't want to let know what's being loved. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my life to give. I was survive, I was survive, hey. Give me a ditch, baby. Get a tune of the song about yourself. You're one of my brothers, all your six lady. But you're working around me like you wanna be someone else. Oh, I know that you don't know me, but you're fine, so fine. Oh, oh, Alright, you think it's on, man. Alright, here's another requested song. Something from John Denver.